I'd buy a GM over a Ford or a Dodge. Ford's diesel, I'm scared to death of that thing. Like, I've watched enough videos of how the oil flows through that new engine. I'm like, you're just begging for lifter problems. And Dodge, problem's not the engine. With a Dodge, the problem's everything else. And Chevy has plenty of problems too, but I think the diesel they're building is pretty solid. So I guess that would be my vote today. None of them are good farm trucks. I mean, they're just not. They make all their money selling all this stuff that people think they need, all these options, and all it is a giant electronic nightmare waiting to happen.